Hi students. So today we are going to see exercise 2.5. Okay. In algebraic identities, totally we have 8 formulas. So you have to study these 8 formulas. Then only if you study these 8 formulas, definitely this exercise will be a very simple exercise. Okay. So the very first identity is x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Will be, or you can use the variables like a plus b. So a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in the place of xy, you can also use ab. Okay. The next second identity is x minus y the whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Identity 3, x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Next fourth one, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Fifth one, x plus y plus z the whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Next sixth one, x plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Or you can also use it as x plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square plus y cube. Okay. The next seventh identity is x minus y the whole cube is equal to, here we have two options, either you can use this formula or this formula, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. The entire term from here to here, all the signs will be negative. So எல்லாமே நெகட்டிவா இருக்கும். Or you can also use this formula, x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Alternative plus and minus இருக்கும். Okay. So இந்த formula எல்லாமே plus இருக்கும். இந்த formula alternative plus and minus இருக்கும். Okay. The next identity 8, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So these are the 8 identities, the 8 formulas. So you have to study these formulas, then only we can go through this exercise. The first question, use the suitable identities to find the following products. First subdivision, x plus 4 into x plus 10. So this term, it resembles x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, so we can use this identity. So in the place of x we have x, in the place of a we have 4, a equal to 4, in the place of b we have 10, b equal to 10. So now let us substitute x square plus a plus b, 4 plus 10 into x plus ab, 4 into 10. So this is equal to x square plus 4 plus 10 is 14x plus 4 tens are 40. This is the answer. Second subdivision, x plus 8 into x minus 10. So once again we can use the same identity, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So in the place of a we have 8, in the place of b we have minus 10. Okay, so signs மறக்காம பாருங்க. In case negative இருந்ததுன்னா அந்த term உடைய எலிமெண்டா எடுத்துக்கணும். இப்போ b இது minus 10 அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கணும். So b வந்து வெறும் 10 எடுக்கக்கூடாது, b equal to minus 10 எடுத்துக்கணும். So a is equal to 8, b is equal to minus 10. So this is equal to x square plus a value is 8, b value is minus 10, அதாவது plus into minus minus. So minus 10x plus ab, 8 into minus 10. So this is equal to x square plus 8 minus 10. This gives minus 2x plus 8 into minus 10 gives minus 80. So this is equal to x square minus 2x minus 80 is the answer. Third subdivision, 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. So we know that x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Always write the formula. then you can apply, so that you can avoid the mistakes. So in the place of A we have 4, in the place of B we have 5, and then another important thing, in the place of X we have 3x. So x is equal to 3x. So x place க்கு பதிலா 3x இருக்கு, a க்கு பதிலா 4 இருக்கு, b க்கு பதிலா -5 இருக்கு. So let us apply all the values in the formula. A square, that is, sorry, x square. X square is 3x the whole square plus a plus b. A value is 4, b value is -5, that is plus into minus is minus, so -5, x is 3x plus ab, 4 into -5. So this is equal to 3x the whole square gives 9x square plus 4 minus 1 is -1 into 3x plus 4 into -5 gives -20. So the answer is 9x square minus 3x minus 20 is the answer. Subdivision 4, y square plus 3 divided by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. So we know that x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. In the place of x we have y square, in the place of a we have 3 by 2, in the place of b we have minus 3 by 2. So let us substitute all the values. X square is y square the whole square plus a plus b, 3 by 2 plus b values, so minus 3 by 2 into x value is, what is the x value? X value is y square plus a value is 3 by 2, b value is minus 3 by 2. So this is equal to y power 4 plus 0y square plus minus 9 divided by 4. So this is equal to y power 4 minus 9 by 4 is the answer. So you can use this formula, or there is two methods. You can use this formula or you can also use the another formula. Let me show you. So fourth subdivision, y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. So we know that a plus b into a minus b, that is x plus y into x minus y. Okay. So this is equal to a square minus b square. So in the place of a we have y square, in the place of b we have 3 by 2. So this is equal to a square is y square the whole square minus b square is 3 by 2 the whole square. So which is equal to y power 4 minus 9 divided by 4. So you can use any of these formulas. Next, subdivision 5, 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x. So we can write this as 3 plus 2x into 3 minus 2x. Okay, let us rearrange this. So now this resembles a plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula for a plus b into a minus b? It is a square minus b square. So in the place of a we have 3, in the place of b we have 2x. So this is equal to 3 square minus 2x the whole square. So 3 square is 9, 2x the whole square gives 4x square. So this is the answer. Second question, evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. So first subdivision, 103 into 107. So we can write 103 as 100 plus 3, isn't it? 107 we can write it as 100 plus 7. Always remember, if you fix in terms of hundreds or in terms of tens like that, okay, then your calculation will be very simple. So split பண்ணும்போது in terms of hundreds, அந்த மாதிரி டென்ஸ் ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸ் இந்த மாதிரி ஜீரோஸ் எண்ட் ஆகுற மாதிரி நீங்க ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா calculations ஈஸியா இருக்கும். So now this resembles the formula that x plus a into x plus b. What is the value? It is nothing but x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So in the place of x we have 100, in the place of a we have 3, in the place of b we have 7. So this is equal to 100 square plus A. A value is 3, B value is 7, X value is 100 plus AB. 3 into 7. So 100 square. So this gives 10,000. 10,000 plus 3 plus 7 gives 10. 10 plus 3 sevens are 21. So this is equal to 10,000 plus 21. Now let us add all these values. So 10,000 plus 1000 plus 21. So if we add, we get 11,021. So the answer is 11,021. Second question, second subdivision, 95 into 96. So here we can write 95 as 100 minus 5 into 96 as 100 minus 4. Now this resembles x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So in the place of x we have 100. In the place of a we have minus 5. In the place of b we have minus 4. So let us substitute all the values. X square 100 square plus a plus b, minus 5 minus 4 into x. X value is 100 plus a value is minus 5, b value is minus 4. So this is equal to 10,000 plus minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9 into 100 plus minus 5 into minus 4 gives 20. That is minus into minus is plus, 5 4s are 20. So we get 10,000 minus 900 plus 20. So 10,000 plus 20 gives 10,020. So when we subtract with 900, we get 0, 2. This becomes 0, 10, 9, 10. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9. So the answer is 9,120. So 9,120 is the answer. Third subdivision, 104 into 96. So we can split 100 as 104 as 100 plus 4, 96 as 100 minus 4. So this resembles x plus y into x minus y, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, that is x square minus y square. So in the place of x we have 100, in the place of y we have 4. So this is equal to 100 square minus y square is 4 square. So 100 square, this gives 10,000 minus 4 square is 16. So 10,000 minus 16, so this gives 9,984 to be the answer.